Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some barbecue stewed ribs. So that's my ribs there, guys. As you can see, it is washed and it is clean. These are all of my seasoning. I've got onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, barbecue seasoning, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, everyday seasoning, and it's 1 teaspoon. Okay, so first you're gonna want to blend all of your seasoning together. Make sure it is all blend properly. Okay. So after I blend all of my seasoning together, I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over on my ribs like so. And I'm also gonna season it on the other side also. Then after I sprinkle all this seasoning on my ribs, I'm just gonna take my bare hands and just massage all that seasoning right in my ribs. And guys, you can always use a gloves, okay? And make sure all the ribs is all covered with seasoning, yeah? Because you want it to be nice and full of flavor. So don't be scared to take your hands and just rub it all in, okay? So my ribs is all seasoning and that's what it look like, yeah? So now I'm gonna brown my ribs. I'm gonna brown it, guys, for at least 4 to 5 minutes and each side, okay? Make sure you don't overcrowd your pot with the ribs and make sure your oil is heated properly before you add your ribs, okay? So now, guys, I'm gonna turn my ribs, and as you can see, it is nice and it is brown, and that's exactly how I want it, just perfect. And I'm gonna also turn my ribs on the side like so. So now guys, I'm removing my ribs. And guys, and as you can see, my pot is full of a lot of bits, and as you can see, it is burned. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my pot, and I'm gonna also change the oil, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna add my remaining ribs that left. So now guys, I'm turning my ribs, just the same process. So finally guys, all my ribs has finished browned. So now I'm removing it now, okay? So these are some of my ingredients that I'm gonna use. So here I have some sweet pepper, and as you can see, I've got all the colors. And in that bowl right there, I've got some garlic, some clove garlic, around 3 cloves I believe. And I also have some spring onions and some onions. And I also have some fresh thyme. So that's my rest of my ingredients guys. So here I have 4 spoonful of ketchup, 6 spoonful of barbecue sauce, 2 spoonful of soya sauce, and 2 spoon of brown sugar, okay? So guys, here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 1 to 2 spoonful of vegetable oil, and as you can see I add my herbs, my onion, and my garlic, and my spring onions, and you're just gonna allow it to saute for at least 1 minute, okay? So after your herbs is all saute, now you're gonna add at least 1 cup of boiling water to your pot, okay? So after adding your water, now you're gonna add your ketchup and your barbecue sauce, okay? Give it a stir. So now I'm gonna also add my dark soya sauce, and I'm also gonna add my sugar. And guys, I'm gonna also add some more seasoning to my pot. So here I have some all-purpose seasoning, some Cajun seasoning, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some chili seed. And it's half a teaspoon, okay? Then you want to give it a stir. So now guys, I'm adding all of my ribs to my pot. So after adding my ribs, I'm just gonna pour all that sauce all over on my ribs. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good already. And now guys, I'm gonna allow it to cook for at least 2.5 hours. And if your sauce is reduced, you can always add more water to it, okay? So guys, my ribs been cooking for at least 2.5 hours, and that's what it's look like. So I'm just gonna add some ketchup and some barbecue sauce to it. I'm gonna add 4 spoonful of ketchup and 4 spoonful of barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna also add some Cajun seasoning, some barbecue seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, and some sugar, at least 1 spoon of sugar. And as you can see guys, I add some water to my ketchup and to my barbecue sauce and to my seasoning, and I'm just gonna blend it all together. So now I'm gonna add it to my pot. And guys, the reason why I add more sauce and seasoning is because when I was cooking it for 2.5 hours, everything is all reduced, and plus I have to add more water to it. So I want it to have more flavor to it. So that's the reason why I done it this way. Then you want to give it a stir. So this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add some more barbecue sauce, yeah? Because this recipe is barbecue stewed ribs. So I want it to full of so much barbecue flavor. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good. Absolutely delicious. And guys, just look at that gravy. Just look at that gravy. That gravy is so thick. I'm telling you, just perfect. So what I'm doing now, guys, I'm just poking my fork in my ribs because I want to see how tender it is. And guys, just look at that. The fork go all the way through it. So it is nice and tender, and that's exactly how I want it. So now I'm adding my fresh thyme, and I'm also gonna add all of my bell peppers, okay? And you're just gonna allow your bell pepper, guys, to cook for at least 5 minutes because you don't want it to be too soft, okay? So my barbecue stewed ribs is all finished, and that's what it look like. And guys, I'm telling you, it looking so good. What I did, I just added some chili seed to it. So I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you how it looks on the plate, okay? So that's what my barbecue stewed ribs look like on the plate. I'm serving it with some rice and peas and with some salad. You can serve it with whatever you prefer. Guys, please like this video, share to your family, to your friends, and all over on your social media. Until next time, bye.